Hey, welcome to today's shoot. So today we are in Whalley, which is a beautiful town, little village in the northwest, and today we're going to be doing a shoot on the iPhone 11. So basically I got a new phone last week and I've not had a chance to play with it yet, and I'm quite excited about it. I've always wondered, can an iPhone replace the DSLR? I don't think it can, but I've always wanted to shoot a wedding on an iPhone. So basically I'm going to use today to test it out and see how good this baby really is. We are in Whalley Centre. It is like early afternoon. It's quite cold, we're in the winter time now here, and basically I'm just gonna see what happens because I've honestly not even tried to use it yet. So let's go. These guys are looking pretty sassy today. Yeah, it helps if you open the app up. It's got loads of different modes. I've not used it yet, so I'm just gonna roll with it and see what happens. So if you get into the doorway, guys, yep. This is gonna take a little bit longer than normal because obviously I don't normally use my phone. So what I'm going to do is just use the exposure, focus on these guys, let them get nice and close together. I'm sure you can whack on the exposure. There we go. That looks good. I'm just going to get some different angles as well. So just looking back towards each other, guys. Beautiful. Do you know what? I think that's going to do for now. Let's move on. First little shot of the day. I'm now going to try out the portrait mode. Again, not used this before, so we'll just kind of see what happens. Perfect. Oh, I like the portrait mode. That looks nice. Guys, you know the one thing that's quite frustrating is that you can't get your focus instantly. And I'm shooting in portrait, which I never ever do either. I like it though. That's nice, guys. Yeah, I'm finding it quite frustrating because I can't get the exposures that I want. I'm quite liking this. So that's nice. It's a nice light, yeah. I'm trying to get the angle there. It's weird how much longer this takes than just shooting with the DSLR. You almost got to wait for it to respond. Oh, that is nice. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Portrait mode is good. You guys look hot. Right, let's move on. No messing. What I'm finding quite frustrating is it's clearly not as responsive as the DSLR. You're pressing the button, it is reacting straight away, but you can't well, you can burst your pictures out, but clearly you don't have the same control that you would have with a DSLR. I think I'm just used to literally seeing things how I want them to look. The camera angle's a lot wider than what I'm used to shooting with, especially because I like shooting on the 50mm as well. This must be the equivalent of something like a 24mm. I either want to be really, really close or really, really far away, which I'm not really used to. I like it. It's clearly got an incredible camera on it, and the portrait mode is insane. I pretty much feel like you don't even have to be a photographer to take good pictures. The colours are better that way, actually. So if you pop your bum back onto James for me, Demi. What is quite frustrating with the portrait mode is, so I can put it in this pro zone, I'm going to call it a pro zone, I don't know what it's called, and I can choose the aperture that I'm shooting at, but I almost want, if I was on an 85, the bokeh would be way more insane. Yeah, you definitely can't shoot a wedding on this. Let's try the super wide. That's nicer. So I've shot that one on the super wide angle lens, but we've got quite a bit of distortion, but it's quite nice as a photograph. I'm just going to go again and try another one. Definitely not as easy as shooting with a DSLR. Maybe it's just because I'm more used to shooting with a DSLR. Kind of like the portrait mode though. The portrait mode is making it look really nice. The wide angle is very good, although it's super wide. So if any limbs are a bit too close, they're just looking a bit like, ah. Ah. Finding this so difficult. I'm just used to changing my settings, know where I'm going, know what I'm doing. I've got as much burst as I want, and it's like picking up a new camera, but there's no buttons on it because they're all kind of in there somewhere, so maybe I just need to read the manual a bit more. We have come to, I can only imagine this is some sort of gatehouse. I'm thinking of popping these guys in here. Again, just using my hand to find a bit of nice light. Perfect, just come to me a little bit more. Me. And then Demi slightly in front of James for me. And then just leaning back onto my bum. And then I'm just using the light coming in from the side. And then let's create some fun games for these guys to play. So James, you now are going to pretend that you're a squirrel. back a little bit. A little bit more. A bit more, guys. So you're right in the corner, maybe. Perfect. That is good. That is good. Trying to use this wall as I would if I had my DSLR with me, but do you know what I'm finding? I am finding that it's not as happy having things close to the camera. Try the portrait mode again. I don't know if it'll pick these guys up. I don't know what these guys are up to. Let me get a bit higher, see what that looks like. Or maybe that looks nice. And then while we are here, I am also going to try out one of these crazy modes on the camera. I think they're in the portrait mode, that's it. So I've also got a studio light button, which I can only presume is a bit more high key. Maybe, I don't know. Contour light. No, we don't want that one. Look at this, Dem is an angel. Let me take a picture and show you guys this. It's absolutely brilliant. It's like my own little studio outside. It's quite nice, look at that. That is mental. I wasn't expecting that either. That's quite funny, isn't it? We've got a stage light as well. Oh yeah. That's exactly the same, but just with like a totally black background. How crazy is that? You know, I actually prefer those stage light ones to the ones where I've actually tried to sort the exposure out myself. Guys, if I can bring you out the front, if that's okay. Just want a nice natural light one. Just move it that way a little bit. Perfect. And just nice and close together. I've just popped them in the little hole at the back, so they're nicely framed in there. And I'm just lifting it up a bit so I don't have those road signs on as well. That's actually quite a nice light there. If you can maybe just walk towards me, just like holding hands, just like laughing, or link up if you find that more comfortable. So this is kind of how you'd want to use it at a wedding, so I'm just seeing if it's capable of doing that sort of thing. These guys have just got married, they've just run through the confetti, and now they're just walking down the street. You have to keep refocusing. Oh, that's cute. It does work quite well, doesn't it? Those stage light ones are the best though. That works really well. Yeah. That's the stage light one, and then that's the key light one. Rolling, rolling. It's like surprise shooting now. I'm actually going to get a bit closer to the floor. Can I get you guys to swap places so Demi's at the other side? That's good. Oh, I like that one. Yeah. Nice! That is crazy windy. I want to come this side. Is that better for you guys? Yeah. The wind's just going the wrong way, isn't it? I was just telling James, I came down here this morning, it was totally different.
That's still the water.
Oh, oh. Hello. Found the new button. Oh, come look at this. I've actually got a control on the zoom in and out. Let's get James in on the action. I need to go this way. Do you know what? I feel like I'm totally loving the head and shoulders things a lot more than everything else. It just sits so well. It just looks really nice. It's so freezing. I'm going to crack on and then we can finish. I'm back. It's just hard to focus on things. That's good. Get heads nice and close together now. Oh, that's perfect. That's nice, guys. I'm just gonna let your hair blow around it. Now it'll stop, won't it? Just waiting for the wind to like take control. Yeah, definitely prefer head and shoulders. Right, I think I'm done. I think I'm done. Let's get these guys some coats on. Like, you could have taken those on a camera.
Oh, that one's nice. I love that one.
Angles, honey. Angles.
Angles, honey. Yeah, they look amazing. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank
I
you.
love them.
No worries. Maybe they're just pretending that they look good. That is so cold. So cold. I came down this morning to like scout the location. It looked so beautiful, so still. And now it is literally blowing a gale down there. So yeah, I really enjoyed using this. Don't get me wrong, it is totally different than using a DSLR, quite clearly for obvious reasons. Your DSLR has got so many buttons that are so easy to use, so much to hand. Definitely have some more reading up to do. Quite fun playing with the different modes on it. So what I'm going to do with these now is I'm actually going to edit these on my phone so that you guys can see how I've shot and edited a wedding shoot with these guys, all on the iPhone 11. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe. I have enjoyed this so much and I love doing stuff like this. So yeah, hopefully you will enjoy looking at these pictures of this gorgeous couple. Jamie!